Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and here in this session we are starting research methodologies lectures, and the very first one is what is research, because to proceed for research methodology we must know basically that what exactly research is. So let's define the first research. Basically we can define research with the term that is search for knowledge. Right. So search for knowledge, it means that if we are in a search process of finding something, right, something that is a kind of existing thing, right? So search of knowledge is called as research. Further, we can say that a scientific investigation is also called as research. So scientific investigation, what do you mean? Scientific means systematic, step by step, which deduct some results at the last, and the system is completely based on logics. So scientific investigation is also called as research. Further, the voyage of discovery, the voyage, the desireness of finding something new, right? That is also called as a research. Inquisitiveness about any topic of any branch, right? Let's say you want to find something in the science, something from the philosophy, something from research, something from space. You are very much curious about, let's say, something about atoms. You are some curious about, let's say, quantum computing. You are let's say curious about some textile fields. You are curious about, let's say, some power energy kind of things, right? So whatever, inquisitiveness is very important word, right? The desireness, the triggered desireness about any topic of any branch of veracity assisted by access inspection, testing, and analysis is also called as research. It means that you want to pursue some things that is assisted by some exercises, right? That you have to do some works, thereafter you need to inspect them, you need to do the depth study in terms of practical, thereafter you need to test them, and then thereafter you need to analyze the results and deduct some output, right? So also called as research. Further, according to advanced learners dictionary, we can say that a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge, is called as investigation. Very, very important definition it is, and it may be asked that what is advanced learners dictionary's definition of research. Careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts, right? That we can add to already existence knowledge of that domain, right? Now, according to Radman and Mori, we can say that systemized effort to gain new knowledge, systemized effort to gain new knowledge is also called as Redman Mori. Let's say some unsolved problems are there, origin of Earth, and many kind of unsolved problems are there. So to solve that problems, the systemized effort that we have to put in order to gain some new knowledge is also called as research. However, we can also define research as a genuine addition of knowledge in already existing word for its upgradation. It is also called as a research. Let's say some knowledge is already there and we want to upgrade that. We want to improve that knowledge by adding something new so that the already content knowledge should be upgraded, right? That is also called as research, right? So basically, detailed and careful study or investigation, right, to find more information about any topic of any branch is basically called as research. Research we can define with many terminologies, many words. We can write rotate, and we can manipulate the things, and many things are there, right? But basically this is, you can define research as you need to do some work in order to gain some new knowledge, to add or to define. If you want to gain a new knowledge, that is good. Else, already some work is done, you want to upgrade that, that is also research. So basically these are some of the important terminologies under research. I hope that the complete topic, that the very first and very easy topic it was research, it is clear to all of you. Further, let me try to revise it. Search for knowledge, scientific investigation, voyage of discovery, inquisitiveness about any topic, pursuit of veracity assisted by exercise, inspection, testing, analysis, outputs, careful investigation or inquiry in order to gain some new knowledge, systemized effort, genuine addition of knowledge to already work which is done, and we want to add something new for its upgradation, for its improvement, is also called as research. So guys, if you like this video, show your response with the help of like button, comment section, so that we can proceed with such kind of lectures. However, our effort will be full from our side, and we are going to discuss the next topic as objectives of research. What can be the objectives of research? But before that, I hope you will give the response, and we are based on that we are going to continue the next lecture. Thank you so much guys, have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.